Hello. Another unboxing for you today. True wireless stereo earphones. These really don't have any name on them, but Amazon does. They are $39.99 on Amazon Prime, shipping, of course. On Amazon, it says they are sold by DamaGood, DamaGood. And the listing says by Mr. Dama, which is, I guess, the same thing. The listing is wireless earbuds, earphones, TWS, Bluetooth 5.0 with charging case and USB slot, IPX7 waterproof HD stereo sound, and built-in mic. So they come in this nice little box. There was tape on here. I cut it just to make things a little easier. Now the case is it charges the headphones themselves, and the neat thing is the case. The battery that's in the case can actually be used in an emergency to charge your phone, which I think is kind of useful here. And it is small. I mean, as you can see, it's small. You put it in your coat pocket or something like that. Oh, you can charge the headphones by themselves. Huh. I didn't even open this yet, so I wasn't even sure what was in here. Micro USB cable, a short one there for charging. Some extra size covers, different styles as well there. There it is. There's the user manual. V5 wireless earbuds manual. There's a little piece of plastic on there. You can see the LEDs right through there. There is a button, which I lost. There it is. Now you see they light up blue, which means they're pairing right now. But when they're they're charging right now. So they are red, and this tells you the battery level of the battery inside of the case itself. And yes, you can see it through the case if they're charging. The headphones are very tiny and really, really, really lightweight. But you can charge them here by themselves, and they are magnetic, by the way. And they're magnetic for both, I believe. Oops, if I can get this in here. Oh, no, maybe not. I thought they were magnetic in the case. Maybe they are? I don't know, I can't tell. It's because of this. It kind of pushes them in. But yeah, I think they're magnetic in the case as well. But you can see the contacts down inside there, which mate with the contacts on the earbuds themselves. Like I said, you can do them. You can get out of these, you can get 3 to 4 hours of music, 6 hours of calling, or 360 hours of standby time. That's on a full charge. It doesn't really say how long it takes to charge, but who knows. But these do support iOS and Android. I'm curious to try them out. These have become popular. This style of headphones are truly wireless, unlike other ones. So we have absorption hatch cover, obscure indicator light. Okay, yeah, magnetic charge area, charge button switch, and the hatch. And there is the USB port down there for charging. Doesn't really say. About long battery duration, 6 hours, 20 hours. Okay, 6-hour playtime it says on here with each charge, and extra 20 hours from the included storage case. So if you charge it, they can last up to 26 hours. Supposedly, if you keep charging it, I guess, as you use them. Or at least this battery will last up to 26 hours. The one in here, apparently. Android. The charging case is suitable for emergency power. I mentioned that as well. Not much else to say. It is a nice, sturdy case. It will protect the headphones inside, which I think they will need protected. I mean, they seem well made, but they're so small and tiny that you will want to protect them, of course. But these are buttons there, and there's one there. I was looking for the microphone. I guess it's there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a tiny, tiny little hole. But let me test these out, and I'll put the link to the review down below in the description once I'm done. Thanks.